everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today, for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to break out rooms in Zoom during meeting. So for that, what you need to do is you need to first open the Zoom application on your PC. Or you can get signed in into the web portal of Zoom, open the Zoom app and then get logged in. Once you do that, you need to create a new meeting. Tap on new meeting and start a new meeting right away. Once you launch your meeting, all you have to do for the breakout rooms is you just move your mouse cursor to the very bottom over here. Here you will have the option of breakout rooms. You tap that. This will give you the option to create how many breakout rooms do you want. Here you can assign automatically, manually, or let other participants choose room. So basically, breakout rooms allow you to split your Zoom meeting in up to 50 separate sessions. The meeting host can choose to split the participant of the meeting into these separate sessions automatically or manually. Or they can allow participants to select an inter-breakout session as they please. Here you just click on the upward menu or the downward menu to increase or decrease the number of breakout rooms in your Zoom meeting. As a host, you will not be able to sort it into one of the breakout rooms and cannot hear what is being discussed in the breakout room as well. However, you can visit individual breakout rooms to check in on the discussion happening in a particular room. Once you've done the number, you tap on create. So this is how you can create a breakout rooms during Zoom meeting. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.